Pasuyo kami ng soy sauce atin sa kang hot sauce.
Sabi niya pa yung buto.
Original calamansi muffin. Mango sundae. Pancakes. Egg. Bacon. So rice. Salpicao na in order sa kabilang restaurant. Hi guys! This is Leonard and I welcome you again to another Boaracay vlog adventure. And for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you yung ating iba't ibang mga foodie adventure here in the island of Boaracay na kung saan masarap na at mura pa. So tatawagin natin tong vlog na to na Where to Eat in Boaracay, the Budgetarian and the Not So Budgetarian edition. And let us start with our first meal on our first day, and that's our lunch, which is sponsored by Ma'am Riza Belgamba. Hi guys! And for today's video is sponsored by... Thank you Ma'am G. Si Ma'am Gamba ma'am, treat niyo tong breakfast. Thank you pa. Thanks Ma'am G for this McDonald's brunch. And after this meal, we headed back to the hotel, took our nap, and ready for the PM smoke. And after that mahaba-habang siesta hour, we are now ready for the sunset gaming. So we headed back to the front beach. And while waiting for the beautiful sunset, we ordered barbecue and of course, Chori burger and island fruit shake. Both stalls are located at Station 1, just right beside Astoria, Boracay. Alright, so katatapos lang umulan and we're currently at the mall and pupunta kami sa Island Chicken Inasal for our dinner and we're almost there. So dito na siya. There. So the restaurant was quite busy when we arrived, so we waited for a little before being seated. So the restaurant was named before the house's specialty, which is the chicken inasal, and that's what we're having tonight. Chicken sate. The bachoy is good. It tastes like the authentic ilo-ilo bachoy. Naalala ko tuloy yung bachoy ng pet. Try natin yung inasal na pecho. Huwag muna natin ipausa. Ito ang inasal. Tastes like inasal sa bacolod itself.
Kumigilid ba?
Alright. Very juicy yung chicken. Peanut yung sauce. It's a sweet version of chicken sate. Tikman natin yung sinigang na baboy.
Flowering agents.
Meron ng tatalo sa sinigang ng Mang Inasal. Mas maasim lang yun sa Mang Inasal. Ito -3, gano'n. Very tender yung pork. Literal na sinigang kasi maasim. Yung chicken oil nila more likely of anato oil. Hindi lasang chicken, lasang anato. And we're good. Anong verdict? 1 to 10. Masarap yung bachoy. Feeling ko nalansahan ka lang dun sa atay. Kakantay. Let's have our breakfast. So this is our breakfast. Tapa. Kain muna tayo guys. Hi guys. So andito kami ngayon sa tapat ng Henan Park Resort. It's the newest Henan in Boracay. Kakain kami dito sa KOLAI MANGYAN. There you go. So this is their dining. So this is counter service restaurant. My order just came. Ito pala yung budbod special. Dinagdagan ng kikiam at fries. So yung budbods, they have beef, tsaka chicken. Tapos meron silang special. Yung special, yun pala meron siyang slices of kikiam tsaka may french fries. That makes it special. And then, kakong garlic. So budbod is just like rice toppings. Budbod basically sprinkle in Ilocano.
Kaya na bagay to.
Shanghai. The thinnest Shanghai in the country. Pero okay naman. Siya para siyang dried na sisig. So regarding kangkong is literally your sauteed water spinach or sauteed na kangkong. But it's garlicky. So nangita yun ng lechon kawali. Ang fairness naman sa lechon kawali. Very crispy pata is good. So we're here at the Real Coffee, the home of the original Boaracay's calamansi muffin. Ito siya. Ayan.
Hi!
And here's our menu. And here's our muffin. Ayun, so magtimpap muna tayo ng kape. And we're pairing our coffee with our calamansi muffin.
Same muffin, pero ang lasa niya cheesecake.
Walang ka-filter.
Kaya kanya pa. So, kayang-kaya ko palang gayahin yung kanilang cream cheese yung cheesecake yung lasa. Pero malalasahan mo na.
Nakalahati ko na yung calamansi. Dada tayo ng dada. Hindi mo lang naka-on yung... So ayun na nga. So pagkatapos ng walang ka-filter nilang comment sa calamansi muffin. Ayun na. It's a literal muffin kasi it's very dense, it's very heavy. Pero hindi siya coarse, it's soft. And then yung calamansi meron siyang subtle na flavor when you take a full bite like this. You have to chew like mga 3-4. Tsaka malalahan yung tangy flavor nung calamansi. Okay naman siya. And it's perfect pair para sa kapeng kaya kang ipaglaban hanggang bukas.
Real coffee. Ano yan?
Ito na ata yung pinakamatapang na kapeng natikman ko sa aking buhay. Parang may hangover ka ng 3 days. Hindi naman kasi ako coffee lover, pero gusto kong itry yung kape nila. Kasi it's the real coffee. Ayan, so supposedly magti-take out lang dapat kami ng calamansi muffin. Unfortunately, pag uwi namin for lunch, jumulan!
Pero yung laning namin
At habang umuulan, feel na feel namin umorder ng kape. Pagdating ng kape, tumila yung ulan. So dapat pala nag-juice. Feeling ko, pag naubos ko tong kape, kaya na kitang ipaglaban.
Sobrang tapa. CULI.
The food are coming in. Garlic sparrows. Try muna natin yung Salpicao na in-order sa kabilang restaurant. Super tender ng beef. In fairness, so good. Try natin tong spare ribs. Ay. So mahilig sa spicy, this is good. Very tender, very juicy. Yung spare ribs nila. Pero it's spicy. Sweet and sour fillet. Hindi na siya crispy. Kasi nasog na siya sa sauce. Pero naman siya sakto lang doon na nagde-blend siya doon sa spare ribs kasi maanghang yung spare ribs. Tapos yung fish is sweet and spicy, so nababalance yung pagkain.
Dahil talaga siya nang ipaglalaban.
Yung pasta, matuna. Yung pasta, pero yung tuna, delata. Tak. Overall, I guess sa lahat ng kinainan namin, dito pinaka gusto ko so far. Hindi ko na alam kasi meron pa kaming another 2 more days. Bukas and then until Friday. But so far, ito yung favorite ko.
Hindi, okay lang. Yan yung...
Day 3 breakfast. And I'm having a toast. KOLAI mo. Magugutom tayo din ng 8:30. Bukas mag-crystal ka. Ay, mamaya. Hapon. Ah. Tatlong number 3 tapos isang number 1. Thank you. Salamat. So this is Station X of Hue Hotel. One of the newly opened hotel in Boaracay. So pakita ko lang sa inyo. So this is your Coco Mama ice cream. So what we ordered is 350 pesos. It's a mix of vanilla and pandan ice cream. So there's so many things that going through your mouth when you take a bite. Burst of flavors of the mango, coconut, pandan, and vanilla. So many textures. And this is a vegan ice cream. Last bite. I'll give this 9/10. Hindi na kami nakapag-commentary sa mga pagkain kasi lamon na lang kami ng lamon because we were quite disappointed with the service of the restaurant. Although, masarap yung pagkain. Na-overheard kasi yung isang order namin so hindi na siya na-serve. So, quite medyo disappointed sa service. Pero all good sa pagkain. All good. Muntik na kaming mag-ulam ng kanin. Guys, alam niyo ba nung wala pang pandemic, itong Halo Mango at yung Coco Mama, pinipilahan talaga siya noon. As in, ang haba-haba ng pila. Fresh. This is 500 pesos. 250. Thank you. Yay, nakaka-brain freeze. So, we just had our dinner at Queen Bee Chinese restaurant and then nag-take out kami ng ayan, Halo Mango. So I'm having mango shake. Ma'am Chris is having the sundae. Ay, sige po. Morning, so here's our breakfast. Sarap ng asado. Hi, we're back in Manila.